welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been all good. Today I'll be showing you how I made a two-piece set from these cargo pants. Let's go. So you guys know I love a backstory. So the reason why I've already cut the other side of the trousers is because I made a bralette ages ago, like last year, but I don't want to waste this like trouser. So I decided just to cut along, ignoring the crotch area, because I realized if I seam rip the crotch, it's going to be too long and we don't need to stress and do all of that. So all I did was just cut along the crotch. Once that was done, using my scissors, I created some frays, but I did this away from the glass table, so recommend doing it on the floor. And this is how it is before creating the frays, but I was just showing you guys, but I did this off camera. Next, so once your skirt is frayed, that's pretty much everything, so you can put that to the side. So then I took my other half of the trousers and I got my tape measure to measure how long I wanted this top to be. So I kind of took it from my chest area just to like my under boob, and I placed my measurement on the trouser. I'm so sorry about my top, like that's ridiculously short, but I was wearing shorts underneath, I promise. So then using my scissors, I just cut down, but I made a mark where the end of the tape measure was for my measurement. And then I also opened up the trouser and then I cut. I mean, you can seam rip this if you'd like, but I just didn't really care because I wanted a rough look, and I'm just showing you where you would seam rip. So yeah, I cut that open. I also separated the bottom part of my trousers, and watch how I used it to decorate my top. I really wanted to keep that denim look. So using that hem, I turned it into like a decorative thing. So I just kind of stuck it on top of the top, and then I realized that I kind of wanted it short, so meaning that the back of this top was going to be either a mix of mesh, or I was going to do like straps or something to secure the back. So once I'd done that, I pinned everything together and took it to my sewing machine. And then this is how it was looking, and I decided to cut off that excess material because that's where the decoration stopped. And this is the beauty of just making your own thing and freestyling it. So I decided to literally make this into a boob tube. So I just folded the remaining fabric over, trying to do that zero waste. And I just sewed a stitch to keep everything together. And then I also had some made by Nale ribbon, which I thought would look good as straps. So I also added that on my sewing machine. And that's literally it, guys. That's how I made this cord. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. See you soon.